Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. The topic of our today's discussion is volume. We have already learned about volume. Today we will do question number 5 of exercise number 15. Question number 5 is written as find the volume of each of cubes whose edges are given below. Edges mean side length. And we know cube is any three-dimensional shape which have all three dimensions same, mean to say length, breadth and height. Its length, breadth and height are equal or same, and edge means side length. So we want to find the volume of cube. In second part, the side length or edge length is 60 centimeter. First of all, we will write volume of cube. We know that volume of cube is equal to side multiply side multiply side, because length, breadth and height are same, so we can take all three as side. So side length is 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter multiply 60 centimeter multiply 60 centimeter. 60 multiply 60, 6 6 are 36. We can multiply. So simply that will be equal to 3600. 20 will be added and 3600 will be multiplied with 36. 60. 0 will be as it is. 6 0 the 0, 6 0 0, 6 6 the 36, 6 3 the 18 and 3 21. 0 0 0 6 1 2. So the answer will be 216,000 centimeter cube, because centimeter is multiplying 3 times. Its power will be added 1 1 and 1. The totally volume is equal to 216,000 centimeter cube. In part 3, the side length is 2 whole 2 by 3 meter. First of all, we will write side length, that is equal to 2 whole 2 by 3 meter. We will change this whole form into fraction and then in decimal form. 3 to the 6, 6 and 2 8, 8 by 3m. We can take in decimal form 8 divided by 3. 3 to the 6, this value is smaller than 3. We will take decimal point and there will be 0 added. 3 6 the 18, there is again 2, so answer will be repeat 2.66666. So that is equal to 2 point, that was 666, 6 is repeating, we can take it as 7. We will increase a 1 digit more, so that is equal to 2.67 meter. Now as volume of cube is equal to side multiply side multiply side, side length is 2.67 meter multiply 2.67 meter and multiply 2.67. we will multiply this value 3 times 2.67, multiply 2.67, 7 7 the 49, 4 7 6 the 42 and 4 46, 7 2 the 14 and 4 18, 6 7 the 42, 4 will be there, 6 6 the 36 and 4 40, 6 2 the 12 and 4 16, 2 7 the 14, 2 6 the 12 and 1 13, 2 to the 4 and 1 3, 9 8, 8 and 4 12, 1 and 1 2, 2 and 6 8, 8 and 3 11, 1 and 1 2, 2 and 3 5. So that is equal to 51289. Decimal point will be after 4 digits 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. That is 5.1289. That will be again multiplied with 2.67, 5.1289 multiply 2.67. This was 5, 2 to the 4 and 1 5. Totally that is equal to 7.1289, and when 7.1289 will be multiplied with 2.67, that will be 1903163 after multiplying all. So after multiplying this, the decimal point will be after 6 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4. After this, that will be equal to 19.03163 after multiplying all these. So the answer will be 19.03 meter cube. This multiplication will you do yourself. So this was exercise number 15. Part 5, question number 5 part 1 will be written as homework. Now we are doing exercise number 15 MCQs. First one is given as the amount of space a 3D object occupies is same as its capacity. 3D mean 3-dimensional, mean to say 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height. So amount of space, we know the amount of space in 3D object is its volume, so that will be also it's equal to capacity. Capacity mean its volume, so that is true because capacity and volume is same thing. Next question 2 is, if a cuboid has a volume of 40 cubic units, then the volume value of side A, B and C are. It is given that there is any cuboid and its volume is 40 cubic unit. We have to find A, B and C. A, B, C mean length, breadth and height. It is cuboid, its length, breadth and height will be different. In a cube, length, breadth and height are same. In cuboid, length, breadth are different. So we will multiply all of these. For example, A is as 10, B is 2 and C is 2. 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40. The first part is 40 cubic unit. Second part is A is equal to 4, B is equal to 10 and C is equal to 1. 4 10 the 40 and 41 the 40. That is also equal to 40. C part is A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 4. 5 to the 10, 10 for the 40. In all options 40 cubic units is answer. So the correct answer is all of above, because these all options are correct. Question number 3 is, if the volume of a cube is 216 centimeter cube, then the length of each side is. We know that it is a cube and its length, breadth and height are same. So to solve this we have two methods. First of all, we can take cube root of 216, or 216 can be divided by 3. The answer will be same. So simple method is 216 divided by 3. We know that 3 7 the 21 and 3 2 the 6. So the correct answer is 72 centimeter. Question 4 is as if the dimensions of a cuboid are 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and the dimensions are increased 3 times each. Mean to say each dimension is increasing 3 times. For example, this was 1 centimeter, that will be multiplied with 3. So 1 3 the 3 centimeter, that will become 3, 2 3 the 6 centimeter and 3 3 the 9 centimeter. All dimensions are increasing 3 times. What will be the new volume? The new volume will be, we are multiplying these three values, 3 6 the 18, 18 9 the 18 multiply 9, 9 8 the 72, 9 1 the 9 and 7 16. So that is 162. Now option is 3 times the original, mean to say it is 3 times of original. Original was 1 2 the 2 2 3 the 6. If we multiply 6 with 3, that is not equal to 162. So option A is wrong. Option B is 9 times. If we multiply 9 with 6, 9 6 the 54, that is also not correct. Option C is 27 times the original. If we multiply 27 with 6, that will be equal to 162. So option C is correct. Last part is as there is a string of 10 graded cubes. The volume goes from 1 centimeter cube, 8 centimeter cube, 27 centimeter cube and 64 centimeter cube up to 1000 centimeter cube. Mean to say there are 10 strings, each has volume that is 1, 8, 27, 64 up to 1000. Volume of cubes between the first and last cubes are, we have to find the volume of cube between first and last cube. For example, A is unlimited, B is 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729 cubic meters. So 1, 8, 27 and 64 are already given. Next options are 216, 343, 512, 729. Their all values are multiplying 3 times. For example, this is cube of 1, this is cube of 2, this is cube of 3, this is cube of 4. Next will be cube of 5, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343, cube of 8 is 512, cube of 9 is 729. So the option B is correct. Option C is given as 1 multiply 1, 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3, 4 multiply 4, 5 multiply 5. That is not correct because these values are multiplying 2 times and volume is got when 3 values are multiplied, mean to say a single value is multiplied 3 times. So option B is correct. So this was our today's topic. If you have any question you can ask again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.